Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're making some delicious pork chops, and first thing we want to do before we start anything is to get our dry rub together. And for that we're going to crush some black pepper, some white pepper, some salt, some mustard seeds, and some paprika, and mix everything together. Now the pork chops have been brined overnight, and for the brine I used some shallots, some garlic, some coriander seeds, added some salt, boiled that for a while, made sure that that cools down properly, and then let my pork chops brine in that. And I do recommend that you brine them if you can. It does make quite a bit of a difference. So then we're going to rub our mixture all over the pork chops and then heat our pan. We want our pan to be very hot so that we can get a nice sear on the pork chops. So if you see the pan is smoking, then you know that you're good to go. So once the pan is smoking, you're going to put your pork chops in there with some oil and then fry them. Now you don't want to keep turning them back and forth. Leave the pork chops to get a nice sear on one side, and then you can turn it to the other side. And I can probably see some eyes rolling because I'm using metal tongs. The frying pan that I'm using is very old. It's had a long life. It is very tolerant. So, and I'm being very careful. I should know better than to use metal tongs on this, but I know what I'm doing. So there. So you can see that this one has also got a nice beautiful sear, and I'm turning it to the side again to get that beautiful fat also nice and rendered, and it smells delicious. Oh my god, these pork chops are everything. I had it for lunch on that day because I just couldn't resist. I usually eat most of the things that I cook straight away. Some of them will go into the freezer for later, but this I just couldn't resist. I had to eat it. It was so well seasoned and so juicy and so delicious, and oh my god, yeah. You can tell that this was really one of those things that was a highlight. And I haven't eaten pork chops in a while, so it was definitely worth it. Now, can you see the color on that? Can you see how it's sizzling, and can you hear the sizzle? It's absolutely amazing. And so, yeah, there you have the pork chops. You can have them with whatever, with jollof, with rice, with potatoes, with yam, whatever you really feel like. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Happy eating!